Hello everyone, you're welcome once more to any beautiful YouTube channel. You are highly welcome. Do well to subscribe to the channel and share the link of the channel to someone out there. Alright, so today we are going to look at a simple problem on fractions. Okay, so we have to simplify what we have on the board. So we have two whole number to third multiplied by one whole number to third. Okay, all divided by 4 whole number for fifth. So how do we solve this? Now the first thing I want to recognize is what types of fractions we have on the board. Now the types of fractions we have on the board are mixed fractions because they have whole numbers. So because of these whole numbers, they are what? Mixed fractions. So the first thing you want to do is you want to convert all the mixed fractions to what? Improper fraction. That is the rule when you are solving fractions. So our solution. Now 2 whole number 2 over 3. Now how do we convert it? Now you're moving this way, okay, with the multiplication. And when you're moving this way, you come with what? Addition. Alright? So we are going to start at 3. Now remember we are moving this way, so we are going to multiply by what? 2. Okay. Now when we move to the numerator, which is 2, we are going to what? Use our addition. Right? Now divide by coming back to what? 3. So with this simple arrangement, you can easily convert a mixed fraction to what? An improper fraction. So our 3 times 2 is what? Our 3 times 2 is 6. So we have 6 plus what? 2 divided by what? 3. So this is going to give us 6 plus 2 is 8 divided by 3. So in this expression, we have this part as what? 8 divided by what? 3. So we've done the first conversion. So let's quickly work on the other, mixed fractions. So the next one I have is 1 whole number 2 over 3. Okay, let's call this B. And the last one we have is what? 4 whole number 4 over what? 5. Let's quickly convert this. So remember we're starting this way. So we have 3 coming to the 1, so we multiply by 1. Now coming to the 2, we are going to add 2. And we come back to the what? 3. Now let's also do this. So we're starting from what? 5 with multiplication by the whole number. Now coming to 4, we are going to add. Coming back to 5, so we are going to divide. So with this, you can simply convert in your mixed fractions to what? Improper fraction. So for this, we are going to get 3 times 1 is 3. So we have 3 plus, we have 2 divided by what? 3. So 3 plus 2 is going to give us what? We are going to have 5 over 3. So 1 whole to third means 5 over 3. So we are going to say times what? Our 5 over what? 3. Lastly, we have this 1. Okay. So we have replaced this as this in the problem. So now let's convert this and see. So 4 times 5 is going to give us what? 20. We have plus 4 divided by what? We have 5. So 20 plus 4 is going to give us, we have 24 divided by what? 5. So in place of this or this, we are going to put this. So we have 24 divided by what? 5. Now that we are done with this step, we can now proceed to the next step. You can see that the numerator has what? Multiplication. So we want to work that out. I can decide to put a bracket here. So we have 8 over 3 multiply 5 divided by 3. All this divided by, we have 24 divided by 5. Now, how do we work this out? We can work it out by saying 8 times 5. So we have 8 times 5. Now we can say 3 times 3. Okay. All these divided by, we have 24 divided by 5. Okay. So this is going to give us 8 times 5. We know is 40 divided 3 times 3, which is 9. Okay. All these we have divided by what? 24 divided by what? 5. So from that step, we can now solve further. How do we solve this further? Now, there is an easy way we can do that. We can decide to use this to come up to multiply this. Okay. So that is going to be, we have 40 multiplied by what? 5 divide. Now, what is left is this and this. So we are also going to multiply those. So 9 is going to multiply what? We have 24. So this is one way to quickly solve when you have a fraction on top and a fraction down as the denominator. Okay? But some other way is we have 40 over 9. We have divide 24 over 5. Okay? And you want to use our basic rule of what? Solving division of fraction by changing this to what? Multiplication. So we are going to have 40 divided by 9. This is going to change to a multiplication. And we are going to rotate this. 5 goes up and this comes down. 24. So that still brings us back to this. Okay. So we are going to have, now we have 40 times 5 and 9 times 24. Okay. Now because the numbers are going to be large, I will want to reduce it. Okay. So let's reduce it so that we don't use big numbers that we still have to reduce. So let's quickly reduce it. Now I can see that 2 can divide this. So 2 into 24 is 12 times, and 2 into 40 is what? 20. So we can further have, this expression as what? 20 times what? We have 5 divided by what? 9 times what? 9 times 12. Alright? Now, can we further reduce this? That's the question. Yes, I can still observe 2 can divide. So 2 into this is 6 times, and 2 into this is 10. Okay? So from that, we have our expression as this is 10 times 5. So we have 10 times 5 divided by what? 9 times what? 6. Okay? Now, can we further reduce this? Yes. So 2 can divide this, which is 3, and 2 can divide this, which is what? 5. Okay? So that is the last we can reduce it. So we have it as is 5 times 5. I can write 5 times 5 divided by what? We have 9 times what? 3. 9 times 3. So from what we have done so far, 5 times 5 is going to give us what? 25. And 9 times 3 is going to give us 27. And this we cannot reduce. So that gives us the answer to this problem. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with someone out there that needs to work on fraction. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.